With a humble beginning in 1936, Akashvani, India's public service broadcaster, has stood the test of time, evolving into a powerful medium that informs, educates, and entertains the nation. Today, Akashvani stands as one of the largest broadcasting networks in the world, not just by infrastructure, but by the richness of languages, cultures, and communities it touches. With 591 stations located strategically across the length and breadth of India, Akashvani covers 92% of the country's geographical area and reaches an astonishing 99.19% of the population. With programs in 23 languages and 184 dialects, Akashvani is truly a mirror of India's linguistic and cultural diversity. Whether through the timeless melodies of Vivid Bharati, the spiritual resonance of Aradhana Channel, or the vibrant energy of FM Rainbow and FM Gold, Akashvani speaks to every Indian everywhere. Its niche platforms like Ragam reflect a renewed commitment to innovation and cultural preservation. Akashvani News stands as a pillar of credibility in Indian broadcasting, trusted always for its authentic content. It has consistently stayed ahead by delivering innovative and informative programs like Market Mantra, Spotlight, and Public Speak. These shows exemplifies its commitment to quality journalism and public engagement. Akashvani is also home to Mann Ki Baat, the iconic monthly radio address by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, which is broadcast in 23 languages and 29 dialects of India. Mann Ki Baat has emerged as an unparalleled initiative in democratic dialogue, uniting citizens through ideas, inspiration, and a shared vision for India. Akashvani is not just a legacy brand, it is future ready. Through a strong and growing social media presence and platforms like News on AIR app, Akashvani is engaging younger audiences and extending its reach far beyond the airwaves. The new age formats like the Akashvani Podcast, Akashvani Originals, Safarcast, Swar Dharohar reflect Akashvani's commitment to innovation while preserving its cultural soul. In an era of rapidly changing media landscapes, Akashvani remains steadfast and relevant, touching hearts, transforming lives, and truly being the voice of the people. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Guided by its noble motto, Bahujan Hitai, Bahujan Sukhai, Akashvani continues to serve as the heartbeat of India.